Crumbling or spalling concrete can totally wreck your patio, driveway, or steps, but fixing it doesn't have to be a headache if you know the right moves. So, first off, you gotta get rid of all that loose, flaky concrete. That stuff won't stick if you just patch over it. Use a wire brush or a chisel to clean out the damaged spots until you hit solid material. Next, make sure the area is clean and dry before you do anything else because dirt and moisture mess up the bond. When you pick your patching compound, go for a high-quality one designed for concrete repairs, not just regular cement mix. Mix it up exactly like the package says. Too much water makes it weak, too little, and it's hard to work with. Apply the patch compound firmly into the hole or crack, and smooth it out with a trowel so it blends with the rest of the surface. Let it cure properly. That means don't rush it with water or foot traffic too soon, or it'll crack again. Finally, after it's cured, seal the concrete with a waterproof sealer to keep moisture from sneaking back in and causing more damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with crumbling concrete repair is not removing all the loose debris first, which causes the patch to fall off fast. Fix this by scraping and brushing thoroughly before patching. Another common issue is using the wrong patching mix or adding too much water, so stick to a high-quality concrete repair product and follow the mixing instructions closely. Lastly, rushing the curing process kills your repair because concrete needs time to set and get strong. Just be patient and keep the area dry and undisturbed for at least 24 to 48 hours. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find legit local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing up concrete and other home projects. Plus, contractors get hooked up with real clients looking for their services, which helps everyone get stuff done without the usual stress.